Pink is not everybody's cup of tea, and that is because most of them are a little too bright. But in this video, we're going to be swatching some of my favorite pink shades, some of my most favorite wearable pink shades. The first one I have is Romand Peeling Angadu, which is one of my most used shades as well. I mean, it looks a little bright, but I really love it for my no makeup days, and the stain it leaves behind is so beautiful. Next one I have is Insight Mauve Souffle. Right balance of pink with brown, which makes it so beautifully wearable. I mean, this could be a nude shade for a lot of different skin tones as well, but I love it. The next one from Insight, we have Raspberry Truffle. A little bit of a deeper pink with purple undertones, which makes it super wearable on my skin tone. If this is a bit too matte for your liking, we have a beautiful satin finish from Maybelline in the shade 108 Fit Check. It's a little bit of a purplish lilac pink, which I usually don't really like, but somehow this shade and formulation I absolutely love. Also from Maybelline, the matte variation, we have the shade called Open Late, which is again a very muted pink shade. And then I have Swiss Beauty English Rose. Subtle red undertones to it, which makes it different. These are my favorite kind of shades, as you guys can clearly see. And then also from Swiss Beauty, I have the shade called Vivid Maroon. The formulation of this is amazing, and just look at this pink. Again from Swiss Beauty, their Pure Luster lipstick, I have this shade called Love Raisins, which I'm not sure is still available, but just look at this. Have you ever seen a more sort of earthy pink ever? And then from Prosh, I have the shade called Showbiz. Beautiful reddish pink shade. From Sugar, I have the Glide Peptide Plumping Gloss Stick in the shade Rose Rumbling. A little bit bright, I agree, but I love the formulation and the shine this gives. So don't get this if you wanted a muted pink shade. Then I have Mousse in the shade Power Diva. Beautiful pink again. Very pigmented. Then I have Revolution Lip Blur in the shade Rosewood. What a beauty. This is not transfer proof, so just keep that in mind. This one is not my personal favorite, but this is for those peachy pink lovers out there. Swiss Beauty Almond Pink. Finally, this is Lakme Pink Peach. It looks beautiful and I'm really liking it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know which other color family you'd like to watch next, and leave them in the comments down below, and let me know your favorite pink shades in the comments.